For a century, we taught machines to think, to calculate, and then to talk, but not one of them could touch the world. Intelligence lived behind glass, robots stayed caged and scripted, and the physical world stayed manual. That is changing now. Machines are learning to see, to decide, and to move, learning a task instead of being told every step. This is the moment intelligence steps off the screen and into the world. It is the largest shift in what machines can do since we first gave them electricity. And it is happening this decade, not some distant future. Soon, the physical world gets rebuilt. How we make things, how we grow food and heal and move and care for one another. This is work for all of us, and it begins with learning to teach a machine how to move in the world. So, here is what this means for you. You can teach a robot yourself in your own browser from the very first minute. No lab, no cost. The door is open right now to you. A year from now, you will have designed a machine, made it walk, and run your own code against the real world. You will understand how to make intelligence act in the world, and you will be ready to help the next person learn it too. The field is being built right now. Come and build it with us. The Institute for Physical AI.